The metro system in Caracas is the cheapest in the entire world, yet it is very extensive. But why is that? Watch this video and find out. So, again to the metro here in Bellas Artes. ¿De cuándo no fuera el servicio? Muchos años.
Muchos años que estaba parado.
Oh. Oh, entonces, 4 bolívares. Hay precios. De $1. Es $1.
Este es viejo.
Yeah.
Antes, sí, de repente antes era como media hora.
Uh-huh. Okay. Venezuela has by far the best public transportation system in the entire world compared to other countries with the same GDP. This is a naked station. No advertising, nothing. Everything is empty. And not even a time when the train is coming. We only have the red light over there, so we know when the train is coming, but it's still red. The Caracas metro system is the third largest system in South America and was established in 1983. Only Santiago de Chile and Sao Paulo are bigger, but this doesn't take into consideration the extensive cable car network in Caracas, because there's so many mountains around. The metro system in Venezuela is not officially free of charge, but because prices are far below 0.1 US cents, because the government failed to update the prices despite the high inflation, most stations don't charge the fee. Although it is still possible that some stations charge, and when you say that you don't have this electric card because you don't have the papers anymore, then you can still get free. But the fare is so little that people don't bother to pay. $1 US is less than an entire year of traveling. Yes, for an entire year. Unbelievable. But buses are actually not free. Buses cost about 40 cents, or a bit less, 35 maybe. And it also changes, you know, with the inflation. I'm not sure if they updated the prices because they're falling and falling and falling. So it gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, but then they update it again. That's usually what's going on here in Caracas. So you transfer the line. You can see here, this station is a bit better. The Caracas metro consists of 4 lines and 47 stations, with a total length of 54.1 kilometers. It's actually quite modern. So, there's surveillance. That's how the escalator looks like, without the stairs.
Mi hija se desmayaba porque se paró dentro del turno. Y mi hija se desmayó. Y muchos quedaron inconscientes.
Sí, antes era el mejor.
Mira, aquello era excelente. Usted agarraba el metro en Propatria a las 8. A las 8:35 usted estaba en Palo Verde.
Todo el metro completo.
Okay.
Rápido.
Eso llegaba y usted se paraba aquí, va, ya hace media hora. No. Uno estaba aquí y eran 5 minutos.
Sí, yo me acuerdo.
Todo es barato, muy económico.
Ahorita, usted entra a la estación a las 8, son las 8:30, son las 9 y tú estás que te mueres del desespero. No te queda otra porque este pasaje afuera está muy caro.
¿Cuánto está el pasaje afuera?
1.000 bolívares, 1,1. Un bolívar.
Un bolívar.
Un bolívar.
1 millón y millones cuando yo tenía 20.
Sí. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú?
55.
Ah, no, pues está bien, pues bien. Tú eres del año 65.
Oh, qué bueno.
7 bolívares mensual.
7 bolívares mensual.
La pensión que acaba de recibir, bueno, ya se fue la señora.
Ah, yeah, señora, mensual. So it's $2 per month. Less.
¿Qué tienes tú? 43.
The metro system in Caracas might be almost free of charge, but many passengers pay with their own valuables, as Caracas has one of the highest pickpocket rates in the entire world, especially in the public transportation system. Dos veces a robar. Okay. Dos veces, they stole the phone. Pero para ti nunca.
Sí, una vez.
Una vez también. Oh, ok. So, ¿y para los turistas?
Una vez nos quitaron, éramos 7 que venimos del Amazonas.
Ajá.
Y a 3 nos quitaron el celular.
Oh, ok.
Porque estaba full.
Ok, sí, sí, sí. Y ahora no es full, pero no tanto.
Ahorita no está tanto, sí.
Yeah, this is not full, not full. So you see here, this is the map. We are on the red line. Yeah, so we're here on the red line. We are now here at the Bellas Artes, and we are going here to Altamira. Yeah, so here there is the metro cable, which is for free in Petare, and then they also have this blue line, another yellow line, and a green line. So it's quite extensive, the system. Yeah, and even extending it plus the cable car. So it's one of the best metros in South America. Yeah, es el sistema mejor de América Sur. Yeah?
Sí.
You buy candy here. It's very convenient if you're hungry in the metro.
Mira que esa anima,
Two chocolates.
disculpa. Gracias. Son 2 por 500, 4 por 1000.
Oh, 4 for 40 cents. Das ist barato.
Mira galletas a 1000.
Oh,
A 1000
cheap
galletas.
cookies.
Mira galletas a 1000 bolívares. La chocotón 1000 bolívares, la de coco. Voy para allá. Gracias, pues.
Oh,
Mira que son
Kiko.
1000 galletas.
yeah, 25 cents.
Mira que los baratos te cobran.
At peak times, which is basically from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. the whole day, you can find sellers, yeah, in the main lines as well, here on 1 especially, selling all kinds of stuff. Here you see one seller selling Vic Vaporub. Vic Vaporub is another brand, but it's like for having a cold, you know. Then especially food is very common, candy, like pretty much only candy, and I guess that's it. So very special in Venezuela. You will never find something like this in Europe, not even here in Colombia. I don't see this where I'm right now. Also, you can encounter money changers, which offer surprisingly good rates for US dollar to bolivares. That's because the inflation is so high. So now you get a good rate, but 2 days later it's already a bad rate. So it's creepy here to take the metro at night in Caracas. You know, with these, there's nobody around. It's shady here. The escalator is completely removed. Lights are flickering. Escalator doesn't work. It's so empty on the weekend. It's so dark. The lighting is bad. You know, in Venezuela they say if you find a working escalator in an MRT station, in a metro station, you have a free wish. The metro system can also be quite scary at night when there are no people around, especially since Caracas is one of the highest, I don't want to say murder rates, but highest crime rates. Anyways, but if you're curious about the crime, you can see my interview series and also my trip to the favelas, and I can show you it's not that bad. Thanks for watching, have a great day. Air conditioning works, it's a miracle.